Pick up a limb.
You want me to take her down?
Pull it forward here. Other way, I'm sorry, the other way. All right, that's good. Now they just go forward. Look at it. Come on. All right. Okay. Pull it towards you.
Can you pull back on this?
No, jump it towards you first. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Woo!
You did that.
Go over there, dump it on the pile.
He lowered it. Lucas, lift it up.
Just pull it back.